You know,
Yep.
ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to the parts and everything, the one thing I'm proud about Digital Wood Carver over, I think it's been what now the last year and a half, most of the production is brought in-house now with this large laser. I'll never forget when it came in on the semi truck and setting it up. It's a huge monster of a machine. But this allows Digital Wood Carver now to manufacture their stands and major parts of their units and everything with not only that laser, but with the addition of their powder coating booth. Everything is now kind of brought in house, which is phenomenal. It's kind of all under one roof. All right, bro. I just wanted to add that
Yeah,
in.
yes, Laney, I remember that day. You was fortunate enough to be up here in Indiana. That laser weighs about 2,300 pounds, and that's a big chunk of metal that you have to move. But it has changed our manufacturing.